Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Square for online invoices and subscriptions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Square for online invoices and subscriptions, start by visiting the Square website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, choose a secure password. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. Next, provide your business name in the appropriate field. Select your business type from the drop-down menu. Enter your phone number for account verification and notifications. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You will receive a verification email shortly. Open the email and click on the verification link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Square website and log in with your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be guided through the initial setup process. Fill out your business information, including address and type of services offered. Add your bank account details for payments to be deposited. You can now set up your online invoices. Navigate to the Invoices section from the dashboard. Click on Create Invoice to start generating invoices. Fill in the invoice details, such as customer information and itemized services. Once completed, review the invoice for accuracy. Click on Send Invoice to email it to your customer. To set up subscriptions, go back to your dashboard. Click on the Subscriptions tab. Choose Create Subscription to begin the subscription setup. Fill in the necessary details, including pricing, billing cycle, and customer information. Review your subscription plan and details carefully. Click Save to finalize the subscription setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.